Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Coolify, Dokku, Dokploy, Portainer, and CloudPanel. And I will help you to choose the best deployment tool in 2025. So let's break them down. Number 1, Coolify, a sleek self-hosted Heroku alternative with a modern UI. It is great for managing Docker-based apps and database. Number 2, Dokku. Lightweight and powerful. Perfect for Heroku style. PaaS on your own VPS. Number 3, Dokploy. An open source platform focused on CI or CD automation with minimal setup. Number 4, Portainer. Known for managing Docker and Kubernetes environments via a visual interface. Number 5, CloudPanel. It is ideal for PHP and web hosting on cloud servers with strong security features. So let's compare 5 of them. Number 1, ease of use. Coolify and CloudPanel are very user-friendly, while Dokku and Dokploy need some CLI skills. Number 2, supported tech. Portainer handles containers and orchestrations, while Dokku supports multiple languages via build packs. CloudPanel, on the other hand, is optimized for PHP or WordPress. Number 3, ideal use case. So use Coolify for modern app developers, Dokku for devs who like terminal control, Portainer for container orchestration, and CloudPanel for web hosting. Number 4, scalability. Portainer and Dokploy offer better CI or CD and scaling support, while Dokku and Coolify are better for personal or small projects. So the final verdict, choose based on your stack and comfort level. For beginners, try Coolify or CloudPanel. For devs managing containers, go with Portainer. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.